Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, collective reading for second quarter of 2026. So, ang focus ko for this reading is for the sign or the element under fire. Yeah? So, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, meron pong commonality ang four elements. So, fire is considered, kayo po yung passion. Nanggagaling po sa inyo yan. Yung leadership. Nandiyan po yung desire, raw passion. So, ang fire sign always have that spark. Yeah? Kayo po yung pinanggagalingan noong inspirasyon in everything that you do or sa surrounding ninyo. May effect po yung yung raw passion at saka yung discipline. Yeah? So, for the second quarter, ang element of water and earth is moving to air and fire. Yung second quarter. So, for the fire element, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, so ang message sa inyo is stop dreaming and start doing. Yeah? So wala na pong half-baked. Kailangan kapag meron kayong sinimulang project, kailangan po tapusin. So that's how you gonna culminate at saka yung mga manifestation ninyo mas madaling ma-achieve at saka ma-solidify. Yeah? One personality ng mga fire signs is you have the tendency na magsimula and in the middle or before completing it, minsan hindi niya natatapos. Yeah? So it's about discipline now and structure. For the second quarter, the universe is asking for sustainable action. Yeah? No, wala nang plano. Kailangan you should have the discipline. You should have the discipline, and there would be more luck this towards the third month of the second, around June. Yeah, yan ang message. Another one is the discipline and leadership. So let's see, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What you need to know for second quarter. Yeah. So, walang half-baked. Walang half-baked for second quarter. Mas mabilis nyong ma-achieve yung goals. Yung goals. Kung gusto mo makaipon, you have to have that discipline. Discipline and structure. Importante. Importante para sa fire sign. Okay, let's see. What fire signs need to know second quarter? Anong message? Ano pa ang message? Give me one card. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Second quarter, 2026. What you need to know? One card, one card, one card. Oops, meron ba? One card, one card, one card. Sandali, may bumaliktad na pala. Okay, sorry. Okay, Seven of Cups, okay? So, this is choices. Choices. May illusion ito. Yeah? May illusion. So, yung raw passion mo, this is sometimes na, I said a while ago, you have the tendency na mawala yung apoy. Yeah? Sa kayo kayo nagdadala noong yung raw passion. Nasa inyo yan. Yung leadership. Kaya lang, ang tendency, napapagod tayo. Yeah? So, we give up easily. You give up easily. So, always have a plan. Seven of Cups, ito yung mga ginawa mo in the past na hindi mo natapos. Kaya meron kang choices. Ano yung sisimulan mo na naman? Yeah? Pick one of those Seven of Cups na sa palagay mo na pwede mong tapusin. Yung mga low-hanging fruit na tinatawag para ma-achieve. Simple as kailangang Gusto mo ng pera at the end of the second quarter, savings, yeah? Gusto mo ng trabaho, okay? Gusto mo ng healthy life, yeah? So, merong ano po yan, merong goals. So, out of the 7 na pagpipilian mo close to you, ano ang gagawin mo? And you have to finish that. Yeah? You have to finish that. 7 of Cups. Okay, tuloy natin. Burnout ang magyayari po. Burnout, yeah? You have that sun, oh? So, this is harmony. Makukuha natin yung harmony kapag we have that plan. We always have that plan and the discipline. Lalo ngayon, mahirap na yung merong gulo sa Middle East. We need to plan ahead. Otherwise, we are all over the place. Focus on, ano ba talaga? Authentic self, authentic truth. Choices, 7 of Cups. You need to choose. I-ano mo yan, i-complete mo yan. Okay, what else? Discipline, leadership. That's your theme for the second quarter. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Give me one card. One card, one card, one card. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Second quarter, fire sign. Second quarter, fire sign. See? Page of Swords. Palagi kang curious actually. Sisimulan ko ito, gagawin ko ito, mag-a-apply ako dito, magtitipid ako, mag-exercise ako. Yeah? Palagi curiosity. Bakit nagagawa noong kaklase ko yun, noong kapitbahay ko, nagawa ni Pedro, nagawa ni Petra? Yeah. Nakatingin ka rito, oh. So yung choices, ito yung mga dating nagsimula ka ulit sa curiosity. Yung passion, yeah? Magtitinda kaya ako online. Aatin ako magsisimba na ako. Mag-exercise na ako, magpapapayat na ako, magtitipid na ako. Those kind of things. Yeah, nagagaling sa sa something close to you. Something close to you. Gusto mo yan, definitely we want something na for our betterment and improvement of our life. Lahat na relationship. Hindi na ako magsusungit, hindi na ako makikipagtalo. Tapos konti lang yung effort na binibigay. Page, bata, I always say that, bata. Walang pa yan, walang level of commitment. Maglalaro lang yan. Yeah? Okay, so low-hanging fruit. Yeah? We need the discipline, you need that. Yung passion mo, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, nandoon yan. Pero kapag napapagod, hindi lang po kayo ang napapagod po tayo lahat. Okay? At saka maraming tayong obligasyon. Pero it doesn't mean na kapag may sinimulan ka, doon ka nawawalan ng yung passion. You give up easily. Okay? Bata. Okay. Yung effort, pump it up, yeah? Second quarter. Because, why? Mabe-burn out ka. That's the effect of that one. Yeah, keeps on showing up the sun, oh. Tignan natin. Second, second sun na lumitaw na yung sa split. Lumilitaw ulit yung 7 of Cups, oh. Okay. Tignan ko baka mayroong baliktad ditong card. Okay. Ituloy natin. One more shuffle. Oops. What else? Fire sign needs to know. So, commonality, may iba-iba tayong personality, but for fire sign, you are the sparks. Consider yan sa 4 elements ng zodiac. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You have that passion. Raw. It's always raw. Kayo yung consider na leader. Yeah, especially Aries. That's why the Emperor. Leo is the strength card. Sagittarius is the temperance. Okay? One card. Give me blind spot for fire sign. Okay, one card. What? The fire sign needs to know. Okay, yeah, okay. So, anything na hindi na nagwo-work out, okay, this is the tendency of we hold on something na it's no longer working. Yeah? So, nasaktan ka doon, tapos, I know it's not easy na to move on, okay? Ano po yan? Ah, natanggal ka sa trabaho, okay? Nasaktan tayo, tapos, misa iniinda natin, we cannot move past away. Yeah? Remember, may target tayo. I-quantify mo fire signs ang goal mo. Okay? Nasaktan ka, but it doesn't mean you're gonna stop. Doon tayo sumusuko. Yeah? Yung passion, gusto mo makaipon ng 20,000 at the end of the second quarter. Okay. Nagkaroon ka ng inspirasyon. Ay, mas magadali yatang kumita doon. Ay, madalas akong napapagalitan. Yan. That's the Three of Swords. Ay, palagi akong binabaha sa pinupuntahan ko. Okay? Yan. Mga challenges na emotionally affects us. Pero, yung heart space mo, nothing wrong. Masaktan. Acknowledge it and heal. Three of Swords is separate yung head space dun sa heart space. Emotion niyan. Yeah? Emotion niya, lahat po tayo nasasaktan. Fire sign, you have the tendency na kasi yung raw passion mo, you want your way. Everybody like our own way. Tama po ba? Okay. Kapag, hindi naman ako sinusunod nun eh. So, nasasaktan tayo. Ginagawa ko naman lahat ng dapat kong gawin, pero hindi niya ako ma-appreciate, okay? So, ang tendency is, we get hurt and hurting, we don't want to heal. Acknowledge mo yan. Huwag kang mag-stay doon. Yeah? Separate heart space dun sa head space. Ituloy mo, curiosity. Yung curiosity, yung bata. Yung bata, pag pinagalitan, it doesn't mean na iiyak, yeah, okay. Pero maglalaro pa rin siya. The adventure continue. Yung choices na ginawa mo na hindi mo natapos, ituloy mo. Tapusin mo this second quarter. That's how you're gonna claim. Yeah? We need to claim. Meron pong ultimate goal yung ating ginagawa. Now, second quarter, the whole year po yan. Okay? Second quarter, the universe is telling you the discipline and the leadership. Yun ang dapat mong i-focus for the second quarter. Okay, tingnan pa natin. Nasaktan ka, but heal. Okay? Heal. Otherwise, you're gonna be all over the place. Yeah? Tingnan natin. Yung curiosity nandyan, definitely. Tingnan natin kung lilitaw yung energy mo na anything fire here or once. Okay? I'm expecting. Kapag hindi lumitaw yun, there's something wrong. I have to go back again to your authenticity. Okay? Dapat we need to know who we are also. Otherwise, you keep on comparing. Okay, give me blind spot. Blind spot, fire sign. Fire sign. Okay. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, Leo, Sag. Tapusin mo kung ano yung dapat mong tapusin. Meron kang 7, okay? 7 of Cups. Meron kang 7 close to you na you think na makapagpapasaya sa'yo. Gusto mo sila. Okay, low-hanging fruit. What's the easiest one? Okay. Okay. Merong connection sa Cancer. Okay? Okay, this is expansion. Okay? Gusto mong makabiyahe. Gusto mo ng increase of anything, yeah, knowledge. Okay, for some fire sign, do your research, yeah. Meron kang matatanggap na news if you're planning to travel or if you're planning to grow your business or study, yeah. Study, take a postgraduate or second degree or tapusin mo yung hindi mo natapos. Kung high school lang, gusto mo magkolehiyo o kumuha ng vocational, this is also the time. Complete that. Yeah? Complete that. Dapat yung nakabitin mo, nakabitin na proyekto mo ng first quarter, this second quarter, tapusin mo na. Anything, tapusin mo, mamili ka dun sa 7 kung meron kang 7. Okay? Prioritize, discipline, leadership. Yun ang second quarter message sa fire element. There will be expansion. Yeah, few of you dealing with cancer here. I can see travel. If you want to move to another country, yeah, yung mga dokumento, tapusin mo. Ano pa ba? Magpa-check up ka if you need to check your health and well-being. Yung nagpa-promise na magse-save, meron ka pang hindi there are other avenues and also other ways na hindi mo ginagawa. Meron kang hindi ginagawa, okay? You procrastinate. Okay? Some of you procrastinating here. Okay, ituloy natin. Second quarter fire sign. You need to heal. You need to move on. Kung napahiya ka, nanggagaling yan sa ano. You are very I'm not saying proud, okay? Lahat tayo proud at merong ano. Acknowledge. When I say acknowledge, minsan ito yung minsan kapag meron kang natanggap na comment or something, wag mong simangutan or ikasama ng loob or ano. Bata, okay? Kaya merong lumitaw na page dito. Take it na grain of salt, okay? And then tuloy again. Piliin mo ulit yung isa sa 7. Yeah? Ito yung mga opportunity na it can lead to a missed opportunity. Yeah? Second quarter pa lang po ito. Ang goal natin is 2 milyon at the end of the year. Yeah, that's how you manifest. That's how you manifest. Hindi lang po tayo magsisimba linggo-linggo. Mapapahiya tayo at makikipagtalo tayo sa customer at papagalitan tayo ng boss at makikipagplastikan tayo. I always say that it's not on a negative connotation, but that's how life is all about. At meron pang gera ngayon sa Middle East. Okay? Page, curiosity, sharp, bata, adventurous, pero nawawala yung passion mo. I need to get a card here na connected sa fire. Okay. Mas malamang yung panghihina ninyo dito. Okay, one card. Give me one card. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, Leo, Sag. Sagittarius. Aries, Leo, Sag. Second quarter. Oh, see? Some of you will have a completion. Okay, I'm not saying na lahat ng fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag walang discipline or walang leadership. Yeah, leadership, it doesn't mean na kailangan mataas yung posisyon mo sa kumpanya o sa community, etc. down the line. I'm talking more on self-leadership. Self-leadership, maski na pagod ka, you continue. Maski na walang nakakita sa'yo, lilinisin mo ang toilet, spotless. Mga ganun po yan. That's how you create your discipline. Na you don't need the recognition. The recognition will comes next. That's the completion. Now, kung sino man yung Aries, Leo, Sag, sa first quarter, alam nila yung discipline and alam nila yung leadership, yeah, you're gonna have that completion and another expansion. Nasa second level. Yung 20,000 mo, hindi na 20,000. You're already aiming for that next 60,000. That's how you increase our wealth and our resources. Few of the Aries, Leo, Sag, meron na silang ginawang, they started yung nila, yung discipline nila or months pa, or quarter. Yeah? But in general, commonality, second quarter, if you are those fire sign who have been doing that, alam niyo yung laruin niyo yung discipline at the leadership, alam niyo na rin na how to experience burnout, this one, momomogin mo na lang ito. So those people, mas lalo yung expansion. mas lalo yung completion nila. Yung 7 iniisip nila, wala, na-knockdown na nila. Most likely, 4 of those 7 of cups na tinitignan nila, anong pipiliin ko rito, uunahin ko. Yeah? That's how we progress po. That's how we increase and build our wealth. Expansion is always in front of us. But ownership, discipline, and leadership, that's what you need more. Okay? So, no more half-baked. Wala na yung raw passion. Ituloy mo. Well, hindi na, hindi na yung puro curious ka na, I will do this and do that. Take bold action. Okay, balik ako dito sa, kuha tayo ng one more, one more, and then we get the outcome. Okay. So, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay? The universe is calling to take action. Wala nang dream. Okay? Let's see. Otherwise, burn out kayo. If there's no plan, burn out. That's what gonna happen. Passionate. I think sinabi ko na yan sa mga Aries people who watch my channel. I used to have a boss na nagtrabaho ako for 11 years. I know how passionate Aries are. Controlling, definitely. Yeah, okay. So, 9 of Swords, okay? Ito yung sinasabi na all over the place. Kasi, pinoproblema nyo yung hindi dapat problemahin. Yeah? When I say na hindi dapat problemahin, hindi naman po lahat ng dapat hindi is problemahin. Kasi, I'm not saying na you shouldn't, na hindi mo problemahin kung wala kang pera. Tama po ba? Okay. But, the universe is telling, there's expansion and growth. Ito yung meron kang mautangan. Yeah, yan. In full circle, na meron kang option. It's not the end of the world. That's why this is the world. Yeah? It's not the end of the world. Maski na sabihin mong yung mga kapatid natin nasa Middle East na babalik sa Pilipinas na magugutom sila, there is. And to be realistic, it's a global problem. Okay? It's a global problem. Huwag mong solohin na akala mo ikaw lang ang namumblema at tumaas ng gasolina. Yeah? You're not the only one. But magse-self-correct po yan. Don't worry about what's happening on their side. Okay? Worry about the discipline and the self-leadership that you need to do for this second quarter. Preparation yan. Kasi maapektuhan tayo. Magiging narinig ko, 4 days a week na rin yung trabaho sa Pilipinas. Yeah. And also, even our company now, kung saan po ako nagtatrabaho, may problema din kami. Kasi tataas yung mga materialis noong produkto. Yeah? So, it's not only you. Okay? This is normal. So, yan ang advice sa'yo. Focus only on the discipline and self-leadership. Low-hanging fruit. Kung natanggal ka sa trabaho, and then, curiosity. Start again. Research. Page of 1, curiosity. May message ka. Trust me, second quarter, mag-research, maghanap ng trabaho, pumila. Definitely, a lot of pain there. Pagod ulit yan. And you're not the only one. But, second quarter, you need to complete something. Hindi ka lang puro magdi-dream. Take action. Okay? Take action. One last card. Okay, one last card. Fire season. Fire element. Fire sign. Okay. Okay. Commonality. That's the message for the fire sign. Okay. Give me the outcome. Okay. I don't see any dito. Fire sign. Fire card. I don't see ones. Wala akong makita. Okay. One card. One more. Let's see the outcome. Outcome. The spark. That's who you are. Fire element. Aries, Leo, Sag. One card. Give me outcome. 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 One card lang. One card. One card. Yeah. Oh, lumitaw ka rin. Okay. Yeah. Sabi ko na ba, nanghihina ka eh. Yeah. Keep that fire burning. This is your card. 9 of Wands. Yeah, I was expecting na Ace of Wands sana. Okay. Pero nasa stage ka. Now, towards the second quarter, okay, this is Wounded Warrior. You have the Three of Swords here. Heal. Okay? Dapat mabili. Madali pong sabihin na to move on kapag nasaktan ka. Separation na, you know, those kind of things. Hindi po madali yan. Pero, second quarter, the universe is telling you, to avoid yung burnout, yeah, have a plan. 9 of Wands, Wounded Warrior, hawak mo yung Ace. Isa na lang Ace. Okay? You're gonna have that completion. You have that completion here. Okay? Puro nasa 9 ka. Okay? Tapusin mo na yan. Towards second quarter, make sure yung one of the 7 of Cups na hindi mo natapos, wag lang curiosity, tapusin mo at wag ka sumuko second quarter because you're gonna harvest. I tell you, this is a huge harvest. Okay? The Chariot. Okay? This is travel. This is expansion. No matter kung maliit yung trabaho mo, kinikita, negosyo, or lalo ngayon na matataas yung bilihin, I'm sure, hope not, because of the gasolina. Second quarter, you're gonna have another completion. I think you're gonna have a epiphany because of this Page of Swords. Expect news coming. Okay? Don't give up. 9 of Wands. Ikaw to. Lumitaw ka rin at lakas. Authentic self. Okay? Alamin mo. I-quantify mo. Anong gusto mo for the second quarter? 20,000 sa savings? A new job? Focus on that one. You should raise yung discipline at saka yung self-leadership. Huwag mong indain yung sinasabi at nararamdaman at saka yung balita. Let them solve their own problem. Focus on yourself. Aries, Leo, Sag. That's how you're gonna get two completion here. One completion and one expansion here. Claim that second quarter towards June, more luck. Yun ang sabi ng universe. Yeah? Okay. So, kuha tayo ng one moon oracle. One moon oracle. Oops. Ayaw. Okay. Isang lang. Quick one. Moon oracle card. Moon oracle card. Yeah? Okay. Oh, kinuha mo rin Sagittarius. Yung mga kaibigan ninyong Sagittarius. Be prepared to be adaptable as plan you may take an unexpected course. Okay? Yan sinasabi ko. Kung wala kang plano, okay, ang universe is telling us for second quarter sa mga fire people is sustainable action. Continue and persevere. Okay? Kung merong konting derail, keep it moving. Okay? Basta focus ka lang doon. That's the discipline that is requiring from the fire sign element. Okay? Aries, Leo, Sag. The discipline and self-leadership. Maski na ikaw na lang nag-iisa. Kung gusto mong umiyak ka. But don't give up. Don't give up. Yeah? Claim your expansion. This is monetary, career. Yeah? And travel. I can see people, some people's fire element or will travel also. Yeah, completion. So, ano ang dapat mong problemahin? Hindi mo dapat problemahin yung pagtaas ng langis. Yeah, I know. But you're not alone. You have to remember that it's a global issue. It's a global issue. Wag mong pakialaman yung ibang nasa ibang bansa. Yeah, focus tayo sa sarili natin. But fire sign, fire element, Aries, Leo, Sag, second quarter, claim this chariot, the expansion and victory, and claim the world as a completion. Yung pain mo mawawala and you will be happier. Mamili ka doon, magtapos ka ng project na nakabitin. pili at least half of that. That's your focus for second quarter. Yeah? Okay, so, yeah, salamat po. Aris Leo Sag.